Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's in here, and this is, if you have a drum set and you need like your cymbals on a stand, this is a cymbal stand. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what it is. Let's say it comes in a 2-pack. So we'll look at them here. Let's see how to open this up, and I'll show you guys how it works. It looks really nice. Check this out. It's got this super nice shiny chrome. Oh my gosh, looks great. So you open it up like that, right? And then it's got the little screw top thing here so you can have it so it won't disassemble on you. So we'll just put that right here for right now. And then we have the top parts right here. Boy, this looks so nice. Oh, and it kind of clips into place. That's kind of nice. So then you won't have to worry about it sliding on you. That's what happens sometimes with some of these things. So like I noticed that like even with my tripods and stuff, if I they kind of start working their way down. So it comes with this pole here. It's going to go inside of this. So let me just tighten this up here, and then I'll kind of aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing over here. So there we go. So let's see. So I'll move this back into the corner so you can see it's a really nice sturdy base. Oh, I obviously didn't screw this tight enough. There we go. I didn't actually screw it at all. So there. So now you see it's up there, and you could even push it down. Like if I wanted to, I could probably use it flat. That's what I might want to do actually, is leave it kind of flat-ish like that. That's probably a good way to set it up. Like that. That's a good height. But it's totally height adjustable with this one right here. So this is your height adjustment. That's just the stability factor. So that's nice and super stable. So you'll have your cymbal here, and then this here will screw off. Hopefully you guys can see it. I think so. So you can screw your top off. I don't have a cymbal here, but the cymbal will go on there. Ooh, got a little fuzz. And then you'll put this back on it, so it'll kind of keep it in place and screw it back on. So there's one of the cymbal holders there. Let me just see if the other one looks exactly the same or not. We'll open it up here real quickly just to give you guys the full effect of two of these. And this is the second one, and it looks exactly the same. So we are going to be having two of the same. So the set of two comes. It's funny because they come boxed. It's like, if you can see, it's two boxes. So that's it there. There's no other information or anything in there. It just basically comes with the stands. But look how nice this is. It's super nice. It's going to look nice for any drum set that you might have. So I'm going to say these stands are great. Thumbs up. So pick up some of these and you will be happy you did. That's for sure. Thumbs up. Very good quality.